This is about the longest snowstorm we have because we try to come out here at the same day every day, but what you don't realize is that that pulpit is a permanent fixture to the it's been out here all week, but every day look at the ice on the patio. It's all black ice. We've carved out a new path. Nobody is allowed to cross the bridge now because it is dangerous. Um, there has been a lot of snow on the ground for the past 3 days at Bios Baptist Church. The church has been on limited services. There was no Sunday school, no Wednesday night Bible study. Due to this, matter of fact, services was even moved. So things might be delayed for a little while longer. This has really been a very blessed second quarter of the week. Tutoring services have been delayed for a short time, and we don't know whether or not we might have to reschedule tomorrow's Sunday service. But as far as church is going, no, nothing has been accomplished today because there is not enough staff. There is too much ice on the roads. People are being encouraged strongly to stay home, stay off the roads, don't drive unless you have to. There is too much black ice on the roads. You won't get anywhere far. This is why we do not want anyone driving unless they have to. We do not have enough staff enough as is for these snow days. And we do not have snow day pay, in case you know what that is, where if you get injured or anything during church business on church property. Like say somebody checks out of here using the church ID to go get something done, like if headmaster goes to do tutoring. He checks out to go do so and gets hurt on those slippery roads. There is no compensation for that. So that is why everything is so canceled today. It's not too bad to have certain things rescheduled. We're trying to get everything on back. Just take the makeup there, the makeup work, or the late. Bios makes being late sound like the worst thing in the world or making a mistake or going off track, but there are certain rules or policies that you can use to get around that, or the E95 form that you could just simply request from certain staff members or employees like Roger Durden or even the headmaster himself, stating that once a temperature drops below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, then that is legally, according to the church, an excuse to not show up. They don't tell anybody about it. In efforts to become a humanitarian church, they have all of these extra paperwork that you can use, and they don't tell anybody. Well, I'm telling you now, at the risk of my job, that we have those available. If any staff members are watching this broadcast, get those, do those. Don't get yourself hurt trying to do staff member business, especially certain people who would risk themselves rather than stick with a suspension notice or anything like that, like I've seen in the past. The weather is very cold out here. There is snow all over the ground, and the skies are very clear right now. So as far as other things in the Bios Baptist Church newscast, the courts of Nazareth just got back their Studio P, which will be the emergency department. It is now open for business, but however, not yet open to the public. So we will let you know when that happens. The grand opening did just take place, however. So that will be all for today. Have a good day and may God bless.